Morning, eighth graders. So today you're going to have 4 questions. I'll go over these pretty quickly. So find the slope-intercept form of the line through each pair of points. So if you remember, slope-intercept form is the y equals mx plus b because we have our slope and we have our y-intercept, hence slope-intercept form. So we first have to find our slope, which is our m, and we're going to use our equation y2 minus y1 over x2 minus x1. We have our x1, y1, x2, y2. Plug them into our equation. So you'll have 7 minus 1, sorry, that is very hard to see, and then 17 minus 16. Let's kind of see if we can blow this up for you a little bit higher. Okay, and then you can solve that and see that you're going to get 6 over 1, which is actually a slope of 6. And now that we have our slope, we can use what we have here and replace y and x with one of our y's and x. So choose a point. You could choose your first point or your second point. I'll just do my first one. Your y is 1 equals, your slope is 6. We just found that. And x is 16. And we are looking for that plus b. Now from there, you're going to solve. You'll get your b, and then you'll write your final answer in the y equals mx plus b, replacing your m with what you find and your b with what you find. All right. Question 2. Write an equation for the following line in slope-intercept form. So again, slope-intercept form is the y equals mx plus b. Okay. Well, this one we can automatically see that r plus b, so y equals something x plus our b is crossing the y-axis at a -1. So I'll actually be doing -1 instead of plus. So our y-intercept is where it's crossing the y-axis. So it's there. Now let's do our rise over run. So from this point up to this next point, always run right. So 1, 2, 3, 4. So our big number or our top number is 4. Place it. Okay, it's not going to want to place it. So let me do it this way. Our top number is 4, and then our bottom number is 1, 2, 3. So our slope is 4 over 3, and I can actually, and that's where it would go for m. Okay, I can't really move it. I don't know why I can't, but you get the idea. Question 3, find the point slope equation for a line containing the given point and have the given slope. So now point slope, we're working with this equation here. Y minus y, y minus y, sorry, I'm trying to get my, here we go, y1, didn't work, but anyways, y equals, our y minus y1 equals m times x minus x1, okay? And so y'all, we have our x1 right here, right? And we have our y1 right here. Also have our slope. So replace what you know into the equation. So y minus, oh, it's a -3. So -3. So you have a y minus a -3, but in reality, we can just put a +3. So y'all, if it's a negative for your point, it's going to be a positive in your equation. If it's a positive for your point, it's going to be a negative in your equation. Equals your slope, which is -1, times x minus 4, because there's a positive 4 on your point, so it's going to be a negative in your equation. All right, let's do the last one. Give the point slope form. So again, the same equation as above, the equation that passes to the given point. So again, we're going to be writing it in y minus y1 equals m times x minus x1. Okay. Well, we need to first find our slope because we don't know this. And so we're going to do the slope formula. All right, so let's get our fraction together. Hold on. Okay, it's not working, but you're going to do your y2 minus y1 over x2 minus x1 to find your slope. Once you have your slope, you'll either choose this equation or this point or this point, plug it into your equation, okay? Once you have your slope, all you do is choose this one or this one, replace it for your y1 and x1, and you're done with the equation. You're done. All right, let me know if you have any questions, and I hope you have a great Wednesday.